Welcome back to Nebula Engineering. Today we will explore one of the greatest breakthroughs in modern automotive engineering, the hybrid engine. It's not just a sophisticated combination of a gasoline engine and an electric motor, but also a system designed to optimize performance, save fuel, and minimize environmental impact. What's even more special is that you don't need to charge its battery like conventional electric vehicles, because the hybrid system generates its own energy during operation. In the world of modern technology, hybrid engines are not only convenient, but also a symbol of innovation. This system is continuously being refined and developed to meet the growing demands for efficient and eco-friendly transportation. In this video, we'll dive deep into the inner workings of hybrid engines, uncovering every detail to understand how this marvel of technology operates. Get ready to join us on this journey to explore the wonders of hybrid technology, a true testament to human ingenuity and creativity.
Preview.
Before diving into the complete hybrid system, let's start with a simpler yet equally smart variant, the mild hybrid. This type of hybrid system is designed to enhance performance without significantly increasing production costs. At the heart of the system is the integrated starter generator, ISG. This versatile device acts both as a generator and a replacement for the traditional starter motor. When you start the car, the ISG uses energy from the 12-volt battery to spin the crankshaft via a belt, providing a smooth and quiet start. As the car accelerates, the ISG draws power from a lithium-ion battery to assist the gasoline engine, reducing its workload and improving fuel efficiency. This is a critical step in energy saving and extending system lifespan. A standout feature of the mild hybrid is its regenerative braking capability. When you decelerate or apply the brakes, kinetic energy from the wheels is converted into electrical energy and stored back in the battery. This not only helps conserve fuel, but also maximizes the use of the energy generated by the vehicle. The mild hybrid demonstrates how simple yet effective technology can revolutionize how we operate our vehicles every day. Now let's move on to the full hybrid system, a true game changer in the automotive industry. This system doesn't just integrate the basic components, but also leverages advanced technologies to achieve outstanding performance. A full hybrid system typically includes three main components: the internal combustion engine, ICE, two motor generators, MG1 and MG2, and a power control unit. The power control unit acts as the brain of the entire system, managing all interactions between the engine, MG1, MG2, and the battery to ensure optimal performance. When you start driving at low speeds, the gasoline engine remains off. Instead, MG2 uses energy from the battery to propel the car, providing a smooth and fuel-efficient driving experience. The highlight of this system is the power split device, a sophisticated planetary gear system that efficiently manages power distribution. The power split device is the heart of the hybrid system, orchestrating the power flow between the gasoline engine, MG1, and MG2. It ensures smooth vehicle operation and seamless transitions between different driving modes. In electric-only mode, MG2 draws energy from the battery to drive the vehicle. When additional power is needed, the gasoline engine activates to work in tandem with MG2, significantly enhancing performance. The hybrid system isn't just about fuel savings. It also delivers intelligent and flexible operation. When the car needs rapid acceleration, the gasoline engine and MG2 work together to provide maximum power. In this situation, MG1 serves as the starter for the gasoline engine, using energy from the battery to ensure a quick and smooth start. Once the gasoline engine is running, its combined power with MG2 offers exceptional acceleration, transforming the hybrid vehicle into a high-performance machine. When you decelerate or drive downhill, MG2 switches to regenerative braking mode, converting kinetic energy from the wheels into electricity to recharge the battery. This smart mechanism not only reduces wear on traditional brakes, but also harnesses energy that would otherwise go to waste. If the main battery is depleted, the gasoline engine takes over, while MG1 operates as a generator to recharge the battery, ensuring the vehicle remains operational. Through the seamless coordination of its components, the hybrid system adapts to a wide range of driving conditions, from slow urban commutes to rapid highway acceleration. Hybrid engines are not just a technological breakthrough. They're a sustainable solution aimed at creating a greener and more efficient future for transportation. From the simplicity and ingenuity of mild hybrids with ISG to the sophisticated mechanisms of full hybrids with MG1 and MG2, every detail is optimized to deliver the best possible performance. In addition to outstanding operational efficiency, hybrid systems help significantly reduce emissions and environmental impact. This is clear proof of how technology can transform our daily lives, from conserving fuel to enhancing the driving experience. If you're excited to explore more about cutting-edge technologies, don't forget to subscribe to Nebula Engineering. We are committed to delivering high-quality videos that provide clear and detailed explanations of revolutionary technologies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next exciting video.